Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, Town Official Language Implementation Committee meeting of Rourkela held. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant organizes array of road safety awareness programs to mark National Road Safety Month. And new PF online payment system inaugurated at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. Coming to the news in details, the half-yearly meeting of the Town Official Language Implementation Committee was held online on 17th February. Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Projects and ED Works in charge, Rourkela Steel Plant, presided over the meeting. Present online were Mr. Nirmal Kumar Dubey, Assistant Director Rajbhasha Implementation, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, Kolkata, Mr. Dhirendra Mishra, GM PR and COC RSP, and Member Secretary TOLIC, as well as representatives from several government organizations, public sector undertakings, banks of Rourkela. In his address, Mr. Pankaj Kumar said that as an Indian citizen and being an employee of government organizations, it becomes a responsibility to work towards propagation of Rajbhasha for strengthening the unity and integrity of the nation. He urges all to fulfill the statutory requirements as per Rajbhasha guidelines and strive to make TOLIC Rourkela a vibrant entity. Mr. Dubey reviewed the progress of implementation of Rajbhasha by the member organizations. He emphasized upon the need of active participation by the heads of member organizations to ensure proper implementations of Rajbhasha in the respective areas. He also suggested to organize a workshop for elaborate discussions about adhering to various guidelines pertaining to implementation of Rajbhasha. Referring to the various apps made available on Government Rajbhasha website like Kanthasht for translation, Parangat course to help government employees carry out work in Hindi, and relative incentive scheme on successful completion of the course. Mr. Dubey urged all to make the best use of opportunities for facilitating usage of Rajbhasha. At the outset, Mr. Dhirendra Mishra welcomed the gathering. In the interaction session held on the occasion, representatives from the member organizations deliberated upon various issues relating to the implementation of Rajbhasha and suggested for online meets at regular intervals. Ms. Lolati Topo, Senior Manager PR and Rajbhasha RSP, presented the compliance report. Mr. N.N. Satpathy, Postmaster HO Rourkela India Post, proposed a formal vote of thanks. Mrs. Archana Satpathy, DGM PR, coordinated the program. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has been organizing an array of road safety awareness programs to mark the National Road Safety Month. The Safety Engineering Department of RSP, in association with different departments, is organizing the programs to promote road safety. The initiatives include massive campaign inside the steel plant to sensitize the commuters on the importance of adhering to the road safety rules through posters, banners, distribution of pamphlets and pasting stickers on the vehicles to remind the drivers regarding the speed limit. The other efforts include organization of specially designed training programs on defensive training, safety talks and quiz competitions on road safety amongst the employees. A kilometer-long human chain was also formed as a part of the month, in which a large number of employees and other stakeholders enthusiastically participated. On 12 February, a function was organized at Hot Strip Mill 2 to mark the Road Safety Month. A quiz competition was held amongst the employees on the occasion. Mr. D. Datta, CGM HSM2, presided over the function and presented awards to the winners. Earlier, on 11th February, a similar function was organized at RNC Laboratory. Mr. A. Dasgupta, CGM Quality, presided over the function and presented the awards to the winners of the competition. The quiz competitions witnessed enthusiastic participation of the employees. It is worth mentioning here that RSP is celebrating Road Safety Month from 18th February to 17th March 2021 along with the rest of the nation. A function was organized at Finance and Accounts Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 15 February to launch a new PF online payment system. Mr. Praveen Nigam, CGM FNA, inaugurated the system in the presence of trustees from management and union sides. The system has been jointly developed by FNA, PF Section, and Computer and Information Technology Department of RSP. It may be noted that the Hindustan Steel Limited Contributory Provident Fund Trust, the PF Trust of RSP, was making payment to the employees through the FNA cash section. Earlier, for making payments, payment vouchers were being sent physically to each cash section. The PF Trustees Union representatives had to come there for signing the checks. Thereafter, the bank representative used to come and collect the checks from the PF department for crediting it to the RSP account. After payments were received by RSP, payments were being done to the accounts of employees. This entire process was quite cumbersome and time-consuming. With the introduction of new system of the above processes are eliminated and FNA PF section officers and PF trustees can directly authorize payments through online mode from their respective place of work for making payment of the employees. This system will greatly help in reducing the delay in payments, better management of funds, ease out reconciliation and accounting, as well as saving of manpower. That's all from our news desk today. Namaskar.